Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix unable to add another card. You have added to a maximum 12 of cards for Apple Pay. You can remove one of your current cards to add a new one. So if you try to add a card into your Apple Wallet and you see this kind of error, and even you do not have added any 12 of cards which means you do not have added maximum 12 cards, and you see this kind of error. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply contact your card issuer, whether your card supports Apple Wallet or Apple Pay or not. And after that, if your card supports Apple Pay or Apple Wallet, then what you have to do next is you have to simply check whether your device is compatible with your Apple Pay or Apple card. And in this way you can simply check whether your card is available to check or add on your device. After that, you can simply go for another setting, which is that you can simply go for the general, and after that you have to check whether you have the latest software or not, because many times due to latest software which is not installed on your device, you will feel many kind of error. So you have to simply check all of the settings, and after that what you have to do, you have to simply check click on setting, and after that what you have to do, you have to click on name or Apple ID here, and you can simply check your payment method whether they are correct or not. And in this way you can simply check all of your payment method, and after that you have to try again for adding your Apple card or Apple card or Apple Wallet, and after that you can simply solve the problem of that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.